Hi guys, welcome to the Finest Food channel. Today we'll be making small round breads or pav. In a large bowl, take 1 cup warm milk. To that, add 2 teaspoons sugar and 14 grams of yeast. Now mix it well and keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to never miss an update. Once the yeast is activated, add 3 cups of maida and half teaspoon salt. Combine the ingredients well to form a dough. Now add 1/4 cup warm milk and knead the dough for 10 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of soft butter and knead it for another 10 minutes. It will form a soft dough. Cover the dough and rest it for 1 hour. As you can see, the dough has doubled in size. Now punch it to knock out the air and knead it again. Now cut the dough into pieces and make them into smooth round balls or any desired shape. Now grease a baking tin with oil or butter and place the buns into it. Cover it and let it rest for another 20 minutes. As you can see, the dough has risen. Now add some milk to the top of the buns. Preheat the oven for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius and also bake it at the same temperature for 20 minutes. Once your bread is out of the oven, rub butter on top of it. Cover the bread with a wet cloth and keep aside for 20 minutes. This makes your bread soft. And your bread is ready to eat. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also leave a comment below.